In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok sound removed. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. You have to go into TikTok app, come to your profile and click on the three lines in the top right corner. Just click settings and privacy. Scroll down until you can see the report problem option. Keep scrolling down until you see submit a report. Just type in your issue, which is like this. When you're done, just click on submit. You need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to actually be able to get back to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!